the new unboxing of the RM250. It looks a bit smick, especially the day I fly here. So I'm just gonna get set up. Hopefully you can see that. Yep. So unboxing of the new. Shout out to Fresh Metal for making this bike. Let's check her out. Well, won't we? And there she comes. Just put the box aside. And there you go. The new RM Suzuki. Gonna have a little race. Let's see how we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, scratch the window. No, bum.
You already finished your ice cream, mate?
Yeah. No, I chucked it back in the freezer.
You chucked it back?
Yeah,
You like it, mate?
No, dun.
Okay.
I'm filming a video. There we go. The new, also sweet RM250. Smith. Got a look at the fat pipe on there. There you go. RM250. There you go.